So ito naman ay sa Maya. Ito hindi ko to i-recommend pero ipapakita ko lang sa inyo para um, alam nyo lang na meron. Okay? So again, Maya did not give me money, no? Any money for this one. Nakashare na ba? Hindi ko alam kung nakashare na. Ayan. Okay. And we will earn ads from this one. And this is only my personal opinion. Hindi po ito advice. So ito yung aking Maya. Uy, kailangan ko palang i-deposito to. Ay, na-deposito ko na kanina. So ginagamit ko lang yung Maya for the crypto part, no? Kasi ang hirap naman magsabi na, ay, pangit yung crypto or ganyan-ganyan yung experience sa crypto na wala akong actual experience. So nauna kasi na nagkaroon ng crypto uh, platform ang Maya kaysa sa GCash kaya dito ako Okay? So this is my wallet balance and this is my savings balance, no? Ang interesting lang dito sa savings balance ng every day nagpo-post ng interest rate. Yung yung interest earnings pala yung Maya. Nakakaloka siya ha. So, yun lang yung isa. Anyway, so dito, if you take a look at this, nabenta ko na actually yung no, yung holdings ko sa 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 stock market sa Bitcoin. Bitcoin yung binibili ko dito sa Maya. Ayan less than 1 centavo na nga lang. Kasi nasa taas, mataas na naman siya, 'di ba? So nabenta ko siya nung sa peak niya ulit. So, yun. Pero, yun nga, parang ito, kailangan mong, parang sugal talaga. Bibili ka, hindi mo alam kung mataas o mababa, ganyan. At ito lang yung mga transactions, no? Maliliit lang, 500 lang, ganyan, no? So, kung makikita nyo dito, ito, yun yung last na ni-withdraw ko, no? Yun yung 13,000 plus na Bitcoin. Kasi, ma, tumaas yung Bitcoin at that time. Pero, do I really recommend na gawin nyo to? No. I'm just saying na nandyan yan. Na-try ko na. Huwag nyo nang gawin. Or kung maglagay man kayo, mas maliit pa kaysa sa 1% dapat ng total ninyo, no? Ayun. So, ang gumagamit kasi ng Bitcoin, usually mga criminals, no? Mga money launderers, fraudsters, drug traffickers, human traffickers, child exploiters, dark marketplace traders, cyber criminals, and terror funders. Why do they like it? Because it's anonymous. It's not no trust is required. Walang strings attached. It's unmatched. May unmatched access and speed kasi walang government intervention no? And easy to store and transfer via digital. So wala kasi itong border. So global trade, ang global trade niya ay borderless, no? So is Bitcoin a currency? Yes, because it is used as a medium of exchange, but currency should be stable. Hindi dapat ganyan na very volatile. Kaya for me, as a currency, Bitcoin is not effective. So marami kasi yung nat-attempt talaga sa Bitcoin, no? So na-blinded sila and they are intrigued because of its increasing value. Ang mga chika nila, ay nako, kung bumili lang ako ng 5 Bitcoin 10 years ago, di milyonaryo na ako now. Mga what if lang yan. Mangyayari pa ba yan ngayon? Hindi na, kaya kalimutan na natin siya. So, for me, although diniscuss ko siya, no, wag na natin siyang subukan because it's unstable, it's speculative, it's not a financial product, not a good inflation hedge. Ito, no, hindi edge. Dahil lang. Ba't ganyan yan? Inflation hedge. And it's not asset-backed at wala din itong underlying economic activity. Very few. Actually, wala pa akong nakilala na talagang nagagamit niya yung Bitcoin on a day-to-day basis.